gold has shaped our history, our communities, and our economy. And today, we are shaping a future of sustainable development with it. We are here because we intend to write a chapter that recounts what governments, the private sector, and communities can accomplish when we work together and work responsibly. The opening of the Ahafo North Mine is an act of partnership and progress, and the fruit of mutual respect and collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, last year, Ghana's gold industry contributed 88.1 billion Ghana cedis to our GDP. And in August this year, our gold exports reached a record $11.2 billion US. These figures demonstrate an encouraging level of confidence in our economy, governance, and national potential. Today, Ghana is Africa's #1 gold producer and the 6th largest in the world. I don't think it's good news. For nearly 3 decades, Newmont has been part of this picture. From Ahafo South, Achem, and now Ahafo North, Newmont's footprint is evident in every and many several positive ways. Well done, Newmont. And I applaud you for joining with the government for our big push agenda by enabling the rehabilitation of a 46-kilometer road, Sunyani through to Achem, isn't it? Well done. I believe there's many more roads coming up. These are fruitful partnerships grounded in mutual value, accountability, and a shared vision for sustainable growth. They have announced a plan with an initial investment exceeding $1 billion US, demonstrates that Ghana offers the stability and capacity for global investment.